Okay guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at everything that's inside the box of the Autel MaxiCOM MK808 kit. The tool is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below this video. So as I say, it's just a really short, quick video showing you everything that's on the box and in the box and exactly what you are likely to receive when you receive your package. So these are genuine Autel products, and you can tell they were genuine because they have their own serial number. This is the serial number on this kit. So what we'll do is we'll just take a closer look at the inside. So this is the heavy duty case that you will receive. It's a very good, very heavy duty case. It's made of tough, rugged plastic, and it has the Autel branding on the front there. So we'll just clip this open, and then it will open out. And we see exactly what is in the package. So we'll start with the main unit. Velcro will keep it in, and you don't want to see my face on the reflection there, but that's the main unit. Obviously plugs, lots of different connection ports here for SD cards, for serial ports, USB, power buttons, and another USB one there. The good thing about this is you can have it as like a stand as well, so it's got a little flap on the back. The sides are made of tough sort of rubber material, and obviously again we've got the serial numbers on the back here and a bit more information about the actual product itself. So that's the main unit, MaxiCOM MK808. Put that to one side for now. Also in the box we've got various connectors and cables. So this is a plug, that's a UK plug adapter. If yours doesn't come in the box, you can generally pick these up for just a few pounds, and that's a USB connector. So one end goes into the tool, the other end goes into the plug there. So that's how you'll charge it. Put those back in. We've got more connectors over here. So this is what connects to the actual vehicle. So this end goes into the MK808 kit like that. Just put that there for now. And the other side of this kit, well, that is the 16-pin standard connector, and that goes into the vehicle. So once this is plugged into the vehicle, power will all automatically transfer to the tool, so you don't need to actually you don't need to charge it. You can just plug it into the vehicle, and that's where it'll take its power from. So that's the power cable, sorry, the connection cable. And then we've got a few setup options here. So this is just a quick start guide, a quick reference guide, telling you really quickly how to do updates and possibly how to register the tool. And this is a full dedicated user manual. So this user manual is all in English. Normally you get them where it's a section in one language, then a section in a different language. The whole manual is English here, so that's handy if you are of English speaking nature. So that's pretty much it. Not much else to what's going on in the box. Just don't want you to expect anything else other than what is in the box. But we'll be doing lots more video reviews on this product, and obviously, as I say, as I mentioned earlier, if you click the link below this video, it'll take you to a page where you can actually pick up this product on the website. Put everything back together. So plenty more reviews coming on the website, on the YouTube channel very soon. Thanks for watching.